Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for November 2nd to the 16th. For November 2nd to the 6th, we're forecasting a ridge across western North America that extends across the high latitudes to Greenland. And we have a trough here in the east. We also have a trough here over the Central Pacific, the East Central Pacific, and that'll gradually approach the west coast. I'll talk about that. This broad trough in the east will cause below normal temperatures, and a large high will go to the surface, will cover the eastern part of the nation and gradually weaken. And as that happens, there'll be a gradual warm-up, moderation in temperatures. But it gets quite cold here across the east. You see here's the freezing line up here, the snow line, you want to call it. All right, and then kind of fluctuates back to the north. Now, a couple of systems will move into the northwest, and this will bring an atmospheric river to the northwest during this period. And we'll look at this at the forecast here. Now, this is the GFS, and this is the integrated vortex. I can't say integrated. I forget what that says for integrated. It says right here, integrated water vapor. That's what I was trying to think of. A water vapor transport into this area here. Now we're going to go to maybe let's see. We'll go out here to 120 hours. You can see it comes like towards the northwest. Then it goes 126 hours. You can see how it's aimed towards here. Now we'll take a look at the other map. This is the, let me see, this will show, I think this shows it better. This is integrated water vapor, and we'll go out, like I said, to 102 hours. Let's see if no, we can't. All right, we got to go 108 hours. It's kind of aimed towards California. These are the winds transporting the moisture. 120 hours, 132 hours. See how it's coming into the northwest? 144 hours, and it's in there. So it'll be another wet period here across parts of the northwest. Okay, we're going to look at the period now for November 7th to the 11th. And we still have our trough here in the east. Also, as this trough here, like I talked about before, will be approaching the west, and that's part of the atmospheric river here. We still have a ridge here across the southern Rockies, ridge building across the west, still above normal heights here. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for, then switch. Calling for above normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal, the highest anomalies here. Below normal temperatures for this region, with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is about 40%, could be higher. Below normal precipitation here. Forecast of occurrence 35 to 45%, greatest anomalies here. Now we're going to look at the period for November 12th to the 16th. And there's a return, even though the flow looks more zonal, there is a return here of a ridge covering much of western North America, trough here in the east. And this teleconnects well with a trough. Whoops, wrong. Where's my map? Okay, I lost the map. We have a trough that will be moving in across Eastern Asia, and I want to show that, but I think I lost that. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures for much of this region here, and I'm calling for anomalies of 4 to 7 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures forecast here, with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. And for this region, probability of occurrence is nearly 40%. And we have below normal precipitation continuing for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And that is the long range weather forecast discussion for November 2nd to the 16th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.